Americans to focus on what they say is a strong economy, with U.S. businesses having added 13 million jobs over the last 65 months. And here with more on how this all affects all of us is our money expert, Richelle Shaw. And Richelle, thank you so much. And I know you've been through this. You owned a huge business.
Yeah.
When the economy tanked, you went through it.
Yeah.
So let's get down to it right now. The effects, tell us how we should be looking at this.
Yeah, well, we should look at it as a blip.
Okay.
You know, if you're in it for the long haul and really following the rules of investment, then this shouldn't bother you. Mm-hmm. But if it makes you feel uncomfortable, you need to call your broker right now.
Okay.
Don't wait until it's too late. So I always start with call your broker to see what's going on.
Okay.
The second thing that I think that most folks forget is your money is always at risk when it's in the market.
Okay.
Okay? So if you had some losses from yesterday that haven't recovered yet, the reason why is because it's just paper money.
Okay.
You actually don't realize those gains or losses until you cash your money out.
Okay.
So while it's sitting there and going up and going down, you have to have a cocktail and just relax.
Okay. All right. Now let's get specific here. Now for 30 to 40-year-olds, this is just a dip, right?
Absolutely.
Their retirement has plenty of time over the long haul
to grow.
Okay.
And you should be buying and holding.
But let me ask you this, Richelle.
Yes,
we hear this advice, and I know you're an expert here. One of the things that I've always wondered is, okay, I put my money in the market, my 401k, and on my 20th anniversary, I decide I'm going to retire.
Yes.
What if my 20th anniversary was yesterday when the market dipped? I'm ready to take my money out.
Right. But see, you are thinking that you got all of this money and you gained it, but you didn't take it out yet. So you don't make the money until you take it out.
Okay.
So it is what it is. And as long as you have it in there, and if you feel uncomfortable, then you need to move it out of the volatile stocks and put it into a more safer avenue. So put it into bonds, put it into real estate, put it into things that are less risky.
Okay.
Does that make
now,
sense?
yeah, it absolutely does.
Okay.
Because a lot of times, you're thinking of this again in the short term.
Right.
But people like you think long term because you're the expert there. Yeah.
Has to be.
Okay.
And so who I'd be nervous for are those that are 70 trying to cash out right now. Need to cash out within the next 90 days. They may not be able to regain that went down yesterday.
Okay.
But those that are 40, 50, and they've got 20 years, you've got plenty of time.
Okay. All right, cool. Now, remember, buy and hold is the best strategy in the best companies.
Right.
Okay.
So you want to look for companies that have dividends, companies that are already paying, that show that they have growth, and your broker will be able to show you this. And you should talk to them and tell them what your strategies are and what your goals are. So if you say, look, I only want to be here 10 years, how fast can I make the money? Then it's going to be riskier. You say, I'm here to sit here for 30 years, then you're going to have enough time to grow and grow consistently.
Okay. Remember to always have a mix in your portfolio. Again, you're the expert, so that's easy for you to compute in your head, but I'm not. I'm here, I'm working, I got the 401k, I see a couple familiar names to choose from. I really don't know what to do. So how do I mix it up?
Sure. Well, the best thing to mix it up is to buy index funds. So you can buy the whole, whether it be NASDAQ or the whole stock exchange. You can buy it in a lump so that it goes up and goes up and goes up. So let's say, I don't know, well, we're around the same age. So back when I was 22, the stock market was only at 7,000. Now it's at 17,000. So it's gone up 10,000 points since the time that I first started looking at it.
Gotcha. Okay.
Does that make sense?
Makes a lot of sense.
Okay, so now every time that it goes up, it's all of them combined, and it's not one stock that's going up and going down and making your blood pressure really high.
Oh, yeah, and making you drink a lot. Richelle, thank you. Always nice to hear from an expert because, again, I think all of us who are outside of that business, we're in panic mode right now because those numbers were big yesterday.
Yeah, they were big, but it doesn't affect you.
Okay.
If it's affecting you and if it makes you nervous, then you don't need to be in the stock market. Yes, ma'am.
Done. That's it. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. All right, Richelle, over to you guys.
But if you're not investing more than just like catnip, right? You have to diversify.
Catnip is a hot product.